Good evening, everyone. Hope you are good today. So, here we go. You will not mind my screen. I will not mind my words. I'm not a man of many words. Just little words now. I begin to stutter and saliva begin to fill my hands. Well, here we go. Now, if you log in after you creating your login details, you know your password and you log in. This is the page you come in, whether you are using phone or whether you are using tablet or a laptop. This is the page you see here. So now to create a post now, you come here, click on new and then post, or you come here, you see something like post here, then add new, post, add new, or you just simply click on link and what, and click it. So when you click it, it takes you to this place. This is what we call Wordpress editor. Wordpress editor. So this notification, if after you publish, if you want to send notification to people that have to subscribe, you leave it here. Then if you want to customize it, you come here. What do you want the title to be? Your notification test. So if you want to customize, if you just want to leave, you can leave it like that. Follow buttons, that is all the tabs available. So after you finish, if you want to save it as draft, you save. If you want to publish, you come here. So Ragma AI, no one will have access to that. Or normal dashboard, this the category your post belong to, you have to select it. Is it health? Is it jobs? Is it scholarship? Is the article on scholarship? The one you are writing, you want to write now, is it on scholarship? Is it on jobs in Canada and UK, USA, or Europe? Is it health related? Is it about health? Is it about insurance? Is it about health insurance? Is it about health scholarship in health? You post it there. The tags are what the article is all about. If you are talking of scholarship now in Canada, then Canada could be your Canada scholarship. Free scholarship can be your tax. You can also select from already published tags. You can select it from them. I can choose this one. You can choose this one. You can choose this one. Of course, it's not necessary now. So you can select from already tags, or you can use your own tag. So then you come here, switch to block editor. We will come back later. Block editor is an advanced form of, is a new form and advanced form also of this classic. This is one that is called classic editor, but block editor is the advanced and newest form of WordPress editor. So or you can switch you, there are some things that are not available in classic now that you have to switch to block editor to have access to, like how to articles. You want to write how to prepare SMO, how to get scholarship, how to fill your scholarship for Turkey University, anything, how to, and you want to show images for each of the steps, and if you want to show images for each of the steps, and then it's better to switch to that. And if you want to ask questions, answer questions, more like frequently asked question, tags question, the question, the answer, you have to switch to block editor to do that. Then this is feature image. This feature image is about what the first image people see when they see your article. This feature image will appear if you publish your post. It will appear on Twitter, it will appear on Facebook, it will appear to other social media we've linked to. So those are the image that will go along with your articles. You can select any one. Of course, your new article, you have to upload your image like that. what we normally think is any 1,000 article at least must have one image, 2,000 article must have two images, 3,000 articles, 3,000 word articles must have three images, 1,000 word article must have one image. So any lesser than one, at least your image one. And your image, in your image, when you upload your image now, you will see something like alternative text, alt text, title, caption, description. The most important one are the description, the alternative text, and the maybe the title. So the alternative text is this, your one of your major keywords. The major keyword is the first keyword is used in meta SEO. So your major keyword should be your alternative text. The first keyword, you have to paste it here. So so you select the image, post your major post your major keywords there. Then this title, your title, the title of your post now must be the one on the title, must be here, must be on the title. You can just make a description or just post your title here again, here on the description. Your title can be on description, but your title is your blog, the post title that should be here. Alternative text is the major keywords, or out of the five keywords, the major one you should be at the alternative. Is very important, very important. So now your title will be here, your title will be here, and then these are your formats. Your format, you have bold. If you want to make some blog bold, you have to highlight it. I want scholarship in UK today. So if you want to make this scholarship in UK bold, you just highlight it and then you click it. If you want to make today on intellects, you just highlight this. Now this one is your list. Either if you want to number it, list. If you just want to be on a bulleted form, then you click this. So let's make a list now. You come here, then you click it. You're in a bulleted form. Scholarship in UK. After you do that, scholarship in Canada. So, but if you are done, just go like this and you continue. Just like I am continuing my test, but it's still on. I don't want them in form. So I don't want this one in italics. I just want more tests. So I highlight it and remove it now. So if I want to number a list, I will come here. Number one, you can see one. So my documents, my money, my visa. You can see it's on number. So it's numbered. So if you for all these ones are in test. So if you want to have subheading, because it's a must for your word to have subheading, at least 3 subheading, 4 subheading, depending on how lengthy or between 500 words now should have up to 3 subheading. So if I want to like necessary requirements to study in Turkey. So this one cannot be just ordinary text, because now this is just ordinary text. So I will put my cursor here, then I'll come here. It should be in here. That don't never use heading 1, only 1, heading 2, heading 3, or we just this one heading 2 and heading 3 and heading 4. But majorly these two should be fine. This heading 2, heading 3. So I'll come here. You can see it's now in heading 3. This one is ordinary paragraph. So if I want to make another heading here, so some list of scholarships that are available. So it's list of scholarship that are available. So I'll put my cursor here, or I can highlight it and make it like this, and make it heading 2. This one now is heading 2. This one is heading 3. Okay, this one is also, so we can make this one heading 2. I'll be heading 3. This one is heading 2. You can see these are the major one. So that is it. If you want to center your stuff, you can come here. If you want this one to appear at the very edge, you can just make it here. You see. So now, if you want to link to articles, if you want to link to any article, read more about the recent article I made about the unskilled jobs in USA. So if I want people to go, if they want to read about the recent made jobs I made about the unskilled jobs in USA. So unskilled, I can just highlight this one, go to the page I want to link to, travel. So just how to copy link now. Unskilled job. I want to link to unskilled jobs in top list of courses. Okay. Jobs 65 unskilled jobs in Canada. Right? Anyone? Okay. This is 100 unskilled. You can see now. Just come. I have copied the link, as you can see. Highlight it. Copy the link, and then you of course highlight it now, then you click on this link, then paste your link, press enter, or you just simply press this, then that one has link. That is how to make a link. So now you can see that is it for now. Now if any article you want, this is the most important part now. Any article, any topic you want to write about, and we'll give you a topic. Also, we will give you keywords alongside it. We will give you keywords alongside it. Maybe the keywords for this one now: how to write content writing. After each keyword, you put comma. How to write on WordPress editor. Put comma again. Using WordPress to blog, comma, writing efficiently with WordPress. Right, then you put comma. You must always put comma. So if you don't put comma, it will not show. Best way to use WordPress. Put comma. So now you can see now these are the. Now look at all these rows. You can see they are red. Add the focus keyword to the CEO title. The focus keywords not found in your CEO meta description. All these rules now, I've only obey this one, or every other one. I've not obeyed them. Of course, you cannot score 100%. So, and now after, when you are writing your article, it's better to always follow along. Some people will first of all go and write on Word document or Google Doc, and still come back here, still waste time. So I prefer that you should writing here, so that as you are writing, you continue. But some people, I don't know, I don't know what is convenient. Where is your choice? Some people will write on WordPress, on Word document, Microsoft Word or Google Doc and start coming there. When they come here again, they will start have to start writing some to fulfill this, because what we aim at least we must score 81. That's what we aim at least, but no more. As some people are new to this thing, you must have score at least 75% of rank math score. Look at what I am. I am in 11 now, so I have to start fulfilling it. Now, what is it? Add the focus keyword to the CEO title. So, what is my focus keyword? The first one is your major focus keyword. This for the first one. So they say I should add it to my CEO title. What is my CEO title? Is here. This snippet is my CEO title. So I add it. Of course, you must go along with how to write content writing to new users for WordPress. You can see now. So don't mind the spelling now. So I fulfilled that one now. You can see you are using the focus keyword now. The focus keyword was not found in your SEO meta description. So yeah, my focus keyword is not found on sorry so my the focus keyword was not found in meta. So what is your meta description? Your meta description is when you search Google, the first few lines you see for each of the website is meta description. Now this is meta description. These two lines meta description. This this is meta description. So now it's important that your SEO is so my what is my so that means today I am teaching I'm teaching I'm teaching people how to content writing for better search engine optimization. After this post, we know how to use WordPress to blog. So good. You can see hooray, I'm already in 57%. I'm a good guy. The focus keyword is not found in your URL. What is your URL? URL is the link. This is URL. This is a URL. This one is a URL. So my focus keyword mob is found in my URL. So now I can come here and put it here. This is it. It is also URL is also called permalink. Just paste it here. Your focus keyword. Of course, you can add some words. Add some how to content writing in WordPress today. So that is it. I've pasted it there. So how many? It's still 51. No? Has it affected? Okay, so until I publish, I'll be. Don't post. Well, until I publish, that is when it will show. The focus keyword was not found in the URL. I've done that. I've done that now. The focus keyword doesn't appear at the beginning of your content. Your beginning of your content is the first 2 lines or 3 lines. The first 2 lines, your focus keyword will appear in your first 2 lines of your article. Now, as we are setting up a team, I want to help everyone on how to, of course, it's because I pasted it there. Let me undo. I just will be on how to content writing on WordPress, especially using rank maths for SEO purpose. Can see now. So let's go there. Now I can see the URL is still the keyword is in here. Sorry, I'm jumping, right? I'm jumping. This one should go ahead now. What's wrong with you? I don't like the way. Okay, I think it's the spelling. There was a time the spelling was not correct. I don't know why it will come up, sha. This one should come up. I don't know. Maybe fast. I don't know. The focus was not find the URL. The focus word doesn't appear at the beginning of your content. What if it appears because it has appeared? Is it? How to content writing? It has appeared. That one too has done to show up later. The focus word doesn't appear in the content. It has appeared, Jerry. It's 75 long. Consider using at least 600 words. Okay, thank you. Now, since I'm just teaching you, now at least our article should be 500 to 700 words. The focus word doesn't appear in the content, it has appeared. Now, the focus keywords was not found in subheading, so your focus word might be found. This is it. And let's just put it here. How to consider writing. You know this subheading, either heading 1, so heading 2, this subheading there. So additional, the focus was not hard. I think something is wrong. Is it that how to content write? Okay. So it's already calculating already good. I think it's just the network slowing down. The URL is 17 character. Add an image with your focus keyword. Let's go and add an image with our focus keyword. Let's just add it as feature image. So we upload our own image. We upload our own image. Then just a sample. We want to upload like I said before. So you have to post it. Your keyword will be here. Alternative text. That is where to calculate from. This is your title. How to use WordPress for can paste it and put it here. Like bam, should be there. Yeah, link it. Now no outbound links. So there's no outbound link here. The outbound link is outside website, outside the this is trouble. We are in travel job heads. Now there's no app on the another website linking to another website. So what we don't normally want to link to any other website unless it is extremely compulsory. So what we normally do is we will do it that one later. Let's continue. Let's continue. So I think we're almost done. So the Google is not is if you now no outbound link, we find 0 outbound links. Let's just solve that problem because what we normally do just edit one of these, any of the previous written one or your own, the one you are currently writing. But since this is an example, there's a link. Once you publish an article, so there's always short link here. A short link. Any article you've written and you publish it for the first time, you publish it, a short link will appear here. Just copy it. And then go and link it to any 11 words. let's link it here. Now, thank you, rank months. I am now linking to external resources. I hope you are okay now. Okay now. You copy that link, you copy now. You get here. So that is it. We are almost done. Look at it. Such a powerful stuff. Now use the table of contents to break down. It's not necessary. This one, the focus keyword used at the beginning of the current CEO title. Wow. Your title doesn't contain a positive and all more. That one is not very necessary. So what do? We are in 74. Well, which one I have not was not find URL, it will be found. So if you publish it now, the focus keyword will be here. So look at it, it's already here. How to content writing is our focus keyword. So you can see we have not used other ones. You must use this one in your content and in your paragraph. For now, all your keyword must be found, and even related keywords. Related keyword is if you search this one now. If you search it, now, there's some related keywords are something here, something, and these are related now. You must use this one now too. So you in your content, not even in your setting, just make sure it's go along in your content. So that is it, man. You can see we are score 70 something now. If I publish it now, I don't want to publish it, but since I have some proof, let's publish and delete now. How to content writing to a new user for WordPress. Even your your title can even be anything. This one is what Google will see. This meta stuff, anything, this snippet, all this theory are what Google will see. But the top here, the one here, is what the readers are going to see. So this one can be anything. I am teaching how to write using WordPress editor to my creating members. So this one does not affect T74. So we are good now. So if you must use this one in your stuff. But way to use WordPress are not difficult at all, as you can see. I just got 74 doing absolutely nothing. So this one is clean it up. So I've used this one now. If you check now, it will say the focus keyword was found in the content. This one too, it was not found, so you must use them. Very important. So after your stuff, writing officially with WordPress is very good because it helps you to cut your time by half instead of writing on Microsoft Word or Google document before importing it. So I've used that one. So you must use this. Let's use this for example too. Let's create a subheading with this. studies of heading, heading. Mm-hmm. Like I showed you earlier. My score is getting lower because I'm now stuffing the keyword and because my test is not long. And I've almost used all my. So you must be cautious. You must not stuff your keyword. If I delete it now, I'm just telling you that you must use your words. 500 words, use your 5 keywords. 1% must not be one. Must look at this one now. You get. Mm, 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 I don't know where is it? Should be here. 3.5%. Like I said, what I saying is 1%. Our density should not be more than 1%. 0.8 to 1% must not be more than 1%. I'm already in 3% because my test is very little and I'm using it just 164 words. So once you are done like this, if you want to answer simple questions, you have to switch to block editor. Let's save this one for one. You cannot even save as draft. Yeah. uh Save as draft. And this is what I was talking before. So as you can see now, you can simply copy it. Short. You are simply copy it to link to external resources. You can see get short URL. Then put it anywhere you want. 75 scroll. So you can simply save it at as save it as draft so that you can copy the short URL. So now let's go to switch to editor to see how to use frequently asked question, rank mass frequently asked question. This is it. This is the new way. So you be the one to see how you want. But I think I prefer this. Then look at this. So if you want to use now if you want to use what we call rank mount fact now, you have to come here. Where's this? Okay. Let's convert it to blog. So you see something like add new. That's what I'm looking for. Seem to see what's going on. Where is add new now? Well, let's just add it from here. It's supposed to appear there, so you can see it from here. Add new. So add block, it means add block. Search for rank mans. Just search for rank man to appear rank fact by rank man. Or how if you want to use how to for those how to tutorials. Now does you want fact to us this one is more important. Fact by rank man. So you just click on it to appear. Something is wrong with my is it because I'm looking behind at all? This is the question, this is this. So let's go and answer some questions. How do I start content writing? So how do I start content writing? Let's go and answer that question. I don't want the question to the answer to be long. Let me undo it. Okay, very good. How do I start content writing? To To start content writing, you must have passion to enlighten people, and you must be learning, especially in English language. Your answer shouldn't be more for anything. Your answer shouldn't be more than 3 lines. Don't be, but since you've already writing the full details, you just for now you just write 2 lines, 3 lines to answer. Add another one. What is content writing sample? So please explain this. The content writing example is what actually I am actually doing right now. So see, now easy. You can add image if you want. You can add image if you want, but it's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's how to that are necessary for images. So that's it. So once you are done, just hit publish. Congrats. You now know how to do content writing. I hope this is good. If you have any question, make sure you watch it finish. Okay, so have a nice day. Tomorrow, let's start something that Google will love. Google will always want to link to our website, put us on first page. People will love and love our content. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.